Okay, welcome back, folks. Let's see how far we get in this set. We're gonna use the 3V this time. 3-6, 3-2. Seven. We'll count that. Buttons off. Same set. Again, I rotated it 1/4 away from us. So it'll be 6-4, 2-4. 12, 6-6. Worked out pretty good. We got the hottest number knocked down. Okay. Eight, 5-3, points 8. Same set. 6-4, 2-4. It's a 3V, turn a quarter away from you. 12 again. 6-6. I'm just imploding on one of my dice. My right dice is imploding. Same setup. Just gotta make sure I'm applying 50-50 pressure. Snake eye. 1-1-2. Alright, that's pretty good. We got the 12s and 2 knocked down. Let's see if we can nail the all tall, all short. Let's go to our 2-1-6-2. Okay. Eight. Point made. 3-5-8. If you want to be great at something, you got to put in the time and do it. If you're not doing it, somebody else is doing it. And you can't, 4 is a point, 3-1. You can't blame them for taking your spot because they're better than you. Because you refuse to put in the time to train. Can't rely on other people to make money for you. You have to be able to make money for yourself. Gotta be able to put in the time and practice. Can't be going to the casino every single day to practice. You need to be able to 10, 5-5. You need to be able to practice without paying for it. Set up your own system at home. If you don't have the space and thing, start sitting down and meditate about rolling. Try to calm your mind. Guess it's about a couple of months now. I've been trying to teach you guys this. You guys have been watching me practice. 9, 4-5. Through all the videos you've seen it. Some days it's good, some days it's not. But through all the videos, you can see that I'm slowly improving, you know. Six, 4-2. Okay, this will be the 10th row. This is where you want to shut your bed off. Sweet spot for the 7 should pop out, but hopefully we try to avoid it. So far this set works out pretty good. 6, 3, 3. We're at the 11th row. Same set. 8, 4, 4. Point made. It's pretty good. I'm getting consistent on the hard way using this set. So I guess next time I go, I'm gonna stop betting a little heavy on the hard ways. Bet the box number soft to ensure that. So backward spin on that one, 7. Okay, change of momentum. Instead of going forward, went backward and 7 out. That gives us 12 row, crap out on the 13. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 12 row. Okay. Alright. I'll see you in the next video. I guess it's like I said, every time I crap out on a 7, I'll end the video and re-record it. So it's not too long for people that don't want to sit there and watch like a 30-minute video, okay?